We began managing the fertility of our grapevines before we ever planted them. Early this spring, we conducted some soil tests and made adjustments to phosphorus, potassium, and pH according to those soil tests. Now, we don't make any nitrogen applications at planting time because the nitrogen's not going to be used. It'll be lost from the soil before the plants can use it if you apply it before planting. And if you apply nitrogen at planting time, you risk damaging the roots of the plant. So nitrogen is the most important nutrient to sustain plant growth during the establishment period. And we want to apply nitrogen carefully because we can damage the plant if we apply too much or if we come in contact with it. So I'm going to start here by, I've raked away our mulch because I want to cultivate the soil right around our plant. And I just want to cultivate very shallow and gently. We don't want to damage any roots growing near the surface, but I want to loosen the soil so that we can incorporate our fertilizer into here. And I'm going to be applying a 10-10-10 balanced fertilizer. If you've had soil tests that indicate high levels of phosphorus in your soil, then it's better to use phosphorus-free fertilizer, such as a nitrogen only. Nitrogen's really the nutrient that we're most concerned about. So for first-year plants, the grapes will require a 1/4 pound of fertilizer. And you want to spread this in a ring that's 12 to 18 inches away from the trunk. And it's really important that we don't come in contact with the trunk because we could damage it. It's also important that we don't get fertilizer on the leaves. Mine are all tied up, but if you have young plants, sometimes some of the side shoots are sprawling out. It's best if you wait until the foliage is dry. That way, if you do get any on the leaves, you can brush it away easily. Once you have your fertilizer in place, just incorporate it gently with a hoe, mix it into the soil. And if you're not expecting any rain within the next day or two, you want to go ahead and slowly water about a 1 inch of water, and that'll just incorporate the fertilizer into the soil. Well, this is the only fertilizer application that we're going to need to make until next season, and we'll be able to come back and continue managing the nutrients for our grapevines.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.